Hello kids, today we are going to learn about food web. In my last video I have told you about food chain. Let's have a quick revise of it. What is a food chain? A food chain represents a feeding relationship between different living beings in a particular habitat. It shows us who eats who. Now, what is food web? A network of interconnected food chain is called a food web. In a food web, there are multiple food chain connected, and an organism can be eaten by more than one organism. Food web has multiple food chain connected together. The more chains, the more stable the ecosystem. This is a picture of food web. Here you can see that grass is eaten by the grasshopper, and this grasshopper can be either eaten by the lizard or it can be eaten by the vulture. Again, mouse feeds on grass and it is eaten by either vulture or snake. So here many food chains are here. Here multiple food chains are there which are interconnected. What is the difference between food chain and food web? Food chains are simple because they represent a single path of who eats whom in a particular habitat, whereas a food web is a complex because it is a web of interconnected food chain from a particular habitat. Now let us learn about nature's cycle. What is nature's cycle? Nature works in a way that whatever is taken from it is also returned to it. It means whatever comes from the earth goes back to it. Nature's cycle maintains a balance in the nature. See this picture. This is nature's cycle. Here you can see that producer prepare food by using water, soil, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight, which is eaten by rabbit, which and all, not only rabbits, all herbivores, means those who are eating grass, and grass eating animals, they are eaten by omnivore or secondary consumer. And when these animals will die or this plant will die, that scavengers will eat the dead part of their body, and the small parts are decomposed by the bacteria and fungi which is present in the soil, and it is going to mix in the soil and for the reuse. These nutrients are used by the plant to grow. Why are decomposers important? Decomposers such as fungi and bacteria play an important role in nature. They work at all levels of food chain. They feed on waste and decaying animals and plant in an habitat. Like this doing, they act as a cleaning agent of our environment. They help in decomposing dead bodies of plant and animals. They help to put various nutrients from dead bodies into the soil, air and water for the reuse. These nutrients are used by the plant to grow. See the importance of decomposers. Here you can see that scavengers, tertiary consumers, secondary consumers, primary consumer, producers when they die, the decomposers break it down into simpler form and helps to mix in the soil so that it can be used by the producer to grow. So this is why decomposers are important, and they work in all level of the food chain. They work at the all level of the food chain. Energy transfer in food chain. Sun is the source of all energy. Without sunlight, plant will not be able to make their own food or produce energy. Thus, the sun is the ultimate source of energy in the world. Energy transfer in food chain. This is the food chain. Here you can see that grasshopper feeds on grass and it is eaten by frog. Again frog is eaten by snake, and from snake it is eaten by vulture. So here energy is transferring from grass to grasshopper to frog, and then to from snake, and from snake to vulture. Energy pyramid. An energy pyramid shows how the energy available changes as one moves from one level to the next. Only a small amount of energy is passed along from one level in a food chain to the next. This is the energy pyramid. Here producers, they produce food which is consumed by the primary consumer. Again primary consumers are eaten by secondary consumer, and secondary consumers are eaten by top predators. And when this will die, when all this will die, at that time it is going to decompose by the decomposer and it is going to mix in the soil. What is a food web? Now let us try to understand what is a food web. A food web has multiple food chain connected together, and an organism can be eaten by more than one organism. What is the difference between a food chain and a food web? A food chains are simple because they represent a single path of who eats whom in a particular habitat, whereas a food web is complex because it is a web of interconnected food chain from a particular habitat. Why are decomposers important? Give reason. Decomposers are important because they feed on waste and decaying animals and plants in an habitat. Thus, they act as a cleaning agent of our environment. They help in decomposing dead bodies of plants and animals. So children, for today this much only. Thank you.